Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Xiaomi Smartband 9. And this time we are going to check again the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. And we'll compare it with these two popular wearable. The Huawei Band 9 and the other one is the Galaxy Fit 3. So we are going to check on the blood oxygen or the SpO2 as well as the heart rate monitor. Our last video, we compared the health function with the Xiaomi Smartband 8. Okay, on this video, we are going to compare it with the Huawei Band 9 and the Galaxy Fit 3. So if you want to check out the results of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen in comparison with the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Huawei Band 9, watch this video. Subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the health monitoring function of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 as well as these two other wearables. So for the health, so we have here the heart rate. Let me show you the comparison first before we test. So this is the heart rate monitor. Okay, for the Huawei Band 9, let's see. Work out. We have the heart rate and we have the heart rate monitoring here with graph. Okay, so which do you think is better when it comes to presentation, when it comes to UI? Okay, next let's have a test. Okay, let's wear this one. Again, this is our Xiaomi Smartband 9. So we have our Huawei Band 9 and our Galaxy Fit 3. Okay, let's see if there's some difference when it comes to the result. Later on, we are going to try with these two wearable only. Okay, it might not give a good result as the place, as the wrist is already crowded. Okay, the position of the Galaxy Fit 3 here is not ideal for testing the heart rate. But anyway, we'll go with the heart rate monitoring. Let's go with the heart rate. We have the heart rate here. Health. Check, check, check. Okay, so let's see. So we have here 76. We have 80, 79. Again, let's put it in a proper position. We have the same results here for our Galaxy Fit 3. And now they have almost the same or closer results with the Huawei Band 9 also. +1 or +2. +2 -2 points, I think. 80, 81. We have the 81. I think the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smartband 9 do have a much closer results here. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so they almost have the same results here when it comes to the heart rate. Okay, let me position it again. Okay, this one is much better. 80. As you can see here. So it's a bit slow for the Huawei Band to update the results. But as you can see here, we almost have the same results here. 80, 80, 81. Let's see. Next, 81, 83. Let's see if the Huawei Band increases. Yes, it increases. 82, 83. Okay. So they almost have the same results here. Very good sensor for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. Let's have our Galaxy Fit 3. 79. 81. 80. 79. Okay. So for providing result, I think they almost have the same speed here for the Xiaomi and the Galaxy. They almost have a simultaneous, okay, showing of results for the heart rate. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for the heart rate monitoring. Very good for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. The result is not that far from the two popular fitness tracker. Next, let's check with the blood oxygen monitoring. Measure. So let's wait. In just a few seconds, we'll have the results. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we have here calibrating. We have 97%, we have 96. Okay, just 1% difference. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of the heart rate monitoring with our Xiaomi Smartband 9, comparing it with the Galaxy Fit 3, as well as our Huawei Band 9. So which do you think is better when it comes to the UI? For the results, I think it's just the same. Okay, so very fast sensor for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. It's almost the same with our Galaxy Fit 3 here. Okay, again, if you have any special request or if you have any questions, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.